Well, hello everyone. It's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and I just wanted to just come over here and create a quick video to show you guys in reference to what's going on here, in reference to this Parallax world. We've already kind of seen the contents right here. You can definitely come explore and see what's going on right there, but I want to take you right into the Parallax here. I don't really want to waste a lot of time. So right here, Apple today introduced the iOS 7.1, and if you come over here and you click this tab here, you can see, where they have the website, the web page, in reference to what's new, some of the bigger features that's being introduced here with the new software. But right here, when you go over here to, introduce an Apple's CarPlay, which is new, you come over here, you will see and watch this area right here. You see how the animation shows you how you can connect it here. If you're a visual person or if you like to read, here's the information right here for you to read it. However, if you're visual, you just kind of understand. You just plug it up and go. It's going to display right there on your dashboard. Right down here is a little bit more details. You can see a view here. Of course, they had to go get a really epic shot, and they got, looks like the Golden Gate Bridge there. Could be any type of bridge, I'm not sure. However, it's showing you. Actually, it is a Golden Gate Bridge. You can see right here in the navigation. Right here, the navigation on your screen, and you can see where you can do different things like messages, music, phone. You can see the apps they invited along for the ride right here that you can also use with it, and then you can see the cars that's already gotten involved in reference to the CarPlay lineup. Now, this right here is pretty much a Parallax Design website. Here's Apple introducing something new in reference to their website. I want to show you one more thing before I kind of get into my little song and dance here. Right here, you can see where Apple is kind of showing you, little animations in reference to their numbers, in reference to a graph right here to understand what they got going on here. And you can see, some of their data numbers, and they have, like, for instance, big photo right here introducing whatever they got going on, the animation in reference to the camera, and you can see like a graph, a map right here in reference to, where their products are being sold. And you can download, if you decide you want to, the progress report if you decide you want to do that. I'm going to bounce right over here, and I want to show you this right here, because this right here, when we click this, it says one moment please. It bounces you over to iTunes, and what it's going to do is going to show you where your creators, if you're a creator, you're in a space of music, art, anything, where you create anything, you can see where this bounced right up here in iTunes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you back over here to the web, and what I want to talk to you about is this button right here, the way they created this right here. Here at Website Candy, we're in the position to do the exact same thing for you. Have it bounce open right to your content, whether it's in Amazon, whether it's in iTunes, whether it's on eBay. Well, we can make that happen for you. Right over here, what we have with Website Candy, a new website that we're putting together right now in reference to landing pages. Totally understand that you may not necessarily be in a space where you need an entire website. And a lot of times, I don't even think people need a entire full website. Sometimes you just need a landing page to kind of capture email, and I'm going to show you an example of that here in a moment. Right over here, you can see where we got some animation. Our numbers are automating right here in reference to completed projects, happy customers. Yeah, we fudged it a little bit, but so what? Right here we have our little quote, going on, and then you can see the animation going on in the background there in reference to the Apple computer, a device that we use on a day-to-day basis to create websites. Kind of scrolling in and out. Here's the Dream Team. I'm still working on that portion right there. You can request, if you want to know more about it. Let me go ahead and refresh this for you, because I definitely want you to see the animation within the website that we're building here, very similar to what Apple has going on. And as you can see right here, this is the things that we're doing right now. That's the reason why I kind of removed the word services there, because that's old school. This is what we're doing. We're communicating with people. We're putting together code. We're making things customizable to your liking. We have many options. Everything's responsive, and it's like creativity in motion. And as you see here, as I resize this website right here to, like, for instance, the iPad 2, iPad, 1 or 3 size, you see what happens here in a responsive manner. And then when I resize this down to the phone, size here, you can see what's happening here as well. So let me go ahead and open this back up here and show you the rest of it and get you guys out of here. Right over here within this parallax design here, kind of center my window, it's going to bother me. And you can see here we have all kind of different people that we work with on a day-to-day basis. You can see all kind of different things that we do, and I still have to yet add in the testimonials and then the portfolio. Right down here you'll be able to pick in reference to any type of parallax design, any type of landing page you may need, whatever the case may be. And as you can definitely see the interactiveness here with the Twitter. You can see our last 10 tweets that we've tweeted out right here at any given time. You can kind of move through them as you decide you want to. And right down here we're going to have the newsletter and the contact, and you can follow us Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever the case may be. So we're in the process of completing the website here. I do want to show you really quickly before I get you guys out of here is there is a website right here that we created in reference to a landing pages. This is kind of an example of what we're doing here. You can see the video playing in the background here. We have the countdown going on, and our video is kind of taking a while to load. Using a lot of CPU here, as you can see. But we have the video playing in the background. You can put your email address in there. You can be notified when the website goes live. Right here is the contact information, and then right over here is the about information. And we can do anything on this page we decide we want to. Even if you want to put a PayPal button right there for registration or enrollment, we can do that as well. So right over here, once again, landing.websitecandy.com. I'm kind of showing this to my, YouTube community here because I just want you guys to just be abreast of what we have going on and just say, hey, get in the game. Let's get involved. Let's get rolling right now. These websites, these landing pages, something to this degree or something to this degree right here will only be no more than $500 in reference to the website. So we will talk really soon because you can see where the big boys here are heavily in the game in reference to still selling products to a customer who's already purchased these products. And how do they do that? They do it with the parallax design. When you come over here and you get this whole entire song and dance of this parallax, you're like, oh man, I gotta have that. I gotta have, because it just looks so good, and it's going to be good for you. So like I mentioned, just talk to you guys in a few. Reach out. My number is already on the website in reference to receiving a quote here. That's not my address right there. I did this for the purpose of this video because I didn't want y'all coming to visit me, not just yet anyway. But here's the number, here's the email address right here. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.